If you're tired of messy ash cleanups and want the perfect tool for the job, stick around. Today we're ranking the top ash vacuums from weakest to best, so you can find your perfect match. Starting off in 5th place, we've got the STANLEY SL18184. It's a lightweight and compact ash vacuum that gets the job done for basic occasional cleanups. Its small size makes it easy to carry, and the all-metal canister with heat-resistant hose means it's safe for cool and slightly warm ash. While the dual-stage filtration does a decent job trapping particles, its hose and cord length are on the short side, and with no wheels, you'll need to carry it around by hand. At 82 decibels, it's also one of the louder models we looked at. If you just need something affordable and simple for cold ash from a small fireplace or grill, this could work. But it's not the best choice for large jobs or higher temperatures. Links to all products from the review at the best price are in the description under the video. In 4th place is the Joe ASHJ201. It's small, light, and very easy to store, making it a favorite for people who want something simple and quick to use. The dual filtration system keeps fine ash from blowing back into the air, and the safety stop switch prevents operation without a filter. That said, it's strictly for cold ash, and the hose is quite short. Without wheels, you'll be carrying it from spot to spot. Suction power is decent for its size, but not the strongest in our lineup. If you just need a portable, no-fuss ash vacuum for smaller jobs, this is a solid choice. But for bigger cleaning tasks or warm ash, you'll want to look further up the list. And hey, if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. 3rd place goes to the BACOENG P2205, which brings a much larger capacity and stronger suction than the two before it. Its long cord and variety of attachments make it great for more than just fireplaces. Think grills, pellet stoves, and even shop messes. The 3-wheel base makes it easier to move than the earlier models, but it's a bit heavier and can tip more easily than a 4-wheel design. Like the STANLEY, it's limited to cooler ash temperatures. If you want solid power, good capacity, and don't mind the cooler ash limitation, this is a reliable mid-range option. In 2nd place, we have the PowerSmith PAVC101. This one steps up with a heat tolerance up to 140 degrees, meaning it can handle warm ash. It also doubles as a shop vacuum and blower, so it's a multi-purpose tool for the garage or workshop. While the hose is a bit short, the long cord and wheeled base make up for it in mobility. It's not quite as big as our #1 pick, but it's lighter and easier to maneuver in smaller spaces. If you need warm ash capability and like the idea of an all-in-one tool without going for the biggest model, this one's for you. Finally, taking the top spot is the PowerSmith PAVC102. It's got the longest hose of the bunch at 10 feet, the largest total capacity, and the same warm ash handling as the PAVC101. Add in the blower function, multiple accessories, and smooth 4-wheel mobility, and you've got a powerhouse. It's heavier, sure, but that's the trade-off for the extra reach and storage. If you're tackling big jobs often, this model will make your life a lot easier. For anyone who wants maximum versatility, capacity, and convenience, this is the ash vacuum to beat. All the top products from this review are linked in the description so you can grab them at the best price. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss our next review.